What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can receive free Amazon gift cards each time you use your phone. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button for me. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, I just want to say, please look for the code word that pop up in this video. So it can pop up anytime in this video. So just pay attention, look closely. When you see the code word, type that down in the comments below. And once I receive 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to choose a comment that has the code word, and those people can win the free money, because I'm going to give away free money to maybe 3 people if we can make it to 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month of November. Now, also follow me on Instagram at AppGrind. Over there, I'm trying to get to 500 followers. If you go ahead and follow me, guys, and DM me, just put "Get Your Grind On" in the when you DM me, and also comment any of my posts on Instagram, and that's at AppGrind. Okay, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I don't want y'all to miss any of these steps. So without further ado, let me hop over here to the site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is ProductTube. Now, what you're going to be doing is making short little videos on products. So let's just scroll down here and see how it works. So you're going to sign up, go to ProductTube.com from your smartphone or laptop to sign up, and you're going to record. So you will start receiving invites to video projects. Follow the simple instructions to record your product experiences. Then you're going to upload the videos to ProductTube directly from your phone using our iPhone or Android app. Or you can just go ahead and go online at ProductTube.com. And then last but not least, you're going to get rewards. Within 48 hours, you will start receiving your rewards via Amazon gift certificates. Isn't that something, guys? You're going to be getting Amazon gift certificates just for doing things that you do anyway on a normal basis, like going to the store. And check this out, guys. You're going to make $50 to $80 for 1 hour of effort per month. Now, I know $80 a month is not that much, but hey, that's some extra side hustle money that you're going to be making just doing what you do on a normal basis. All right, let's scroll down here and look at the demo. So there are two types of videos, both of which can be recorded simply using your phone camera. No additional equipment or software needed. So here's the in-store video. So when you're in the store, you're going to log into ProductTube.com. Once you receive the new product notification in your email, then next time you're in the store, make a short video showing how you shop in that category. Hold your phone in one hand and start recording. Record and narrate your decision-making process. Then you're going to log back in and upload the video on your phone. Now they also got one where you can do it at home if you don't want to do it in the store. So you're going to log in on ProductTube.com, receive the product notification by email, make short video using the product and tell us about your experience. See, like right there, they're eating maybe some cereal or rice or something. So they film themselves doing that. And for certain projects, you maybe recontact to make future videos for additional incentives. So they probably going to contact you for additional incentives for certain projects. And then you're going to go ahead and log back into ProductTube and upload that video from your phone. And that's it. And you receive the rewards in 48 hours. How that sound, guys? That sounds very, very easy. Now, here are some videos of how some of the clients or some of the people that use ProductTube, they just showed little samples right here, examples right here. So let's click on one and see.
My personal preference, my go-to beer, is usually Heineken. I was fortunate enough to...
So that's all I'm gonna show. So all she doing is, look, she's not even showing her face. And the product was probably talking about beer. So she just went to the store and showing all different type of beers and telling her experience on some beers. And look, only took 2 minutes and she got paid $80. Now they have an app. So let me go ahead and go to the app so we can look at the rating and the reviews over there. Let me go there right now. Okay, I'm in the Google Play Store and I pulled up the app. And let's scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.1. And that means that's a good app, guys. Anything over 4 stars is very good. Now let's just read one review here. So Sherry Young, she says, I have enjoyed this app so far. At first I had many jobs to choose from and completed several in a couple of days. It's not all that difficult, but be certain you follow the directions exactly. I had a couple denied because I missed a question. They did give me a chance to redo those and get paid. See, guys, this is a good app because this person missed some questions on the product review that they received and they denied it, but they let her do it over and she got paid. So that is good, guys. So even if you kind of mess up and don't follow the instructions, they still give you another chance so you can get paid. So that's all I'm gonna read as far as the reviews. Okay, guys, so if you're ready to go ahead and start making this money using ProductTube and getting these free Amazon gift cards, go ahead and go to ProductTube.com. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And make sure you type the code word that popped up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop because I make videos like this every other day. All right, that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for checking me out again. And thank you for always checking out my videos when I drop them. One more thing before I go. Check out my podcast show. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. It's a very, very entertaining podcast show, so check that out. And also subscribe to my channel, my new channel called Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. Please subscribe, and I'll be dropping videos over there too. All right, guys, that's it. Let's go, Grind family. Road to 5,000 this month of November. Let's go, let's go, let's get it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Have a blessed day and take care. Peace.